Hello guys, Raptor here. Today we're gonna play some Car Mechanic Simulator 2018. We're starting off with episode 1 today. So yeah, let's just looking around my new workplace, and yeah, so I've played this game before, so I know the basics. So the highlighted jobs that we check on our phone, they're like better pay and stuff. So let's get started. So you can see the stuff that we need to do there. So change some wheels and replace the oil. Let's put it on the car lift. Let's raise the car lift now. Okay, so yeah, just making sure what we need. Some tires, yeah, a fuel filter and an air filter. Let's start with taking off these wheels. Just unscrewing them now. There we go. Nice. Next one. There we go. Start. And the final tire. There we go. Okay, so now we have to separate the tires from the rims. Because we're going to reuse the rims, but we're going to buy brand new tires. So take it, put the new ones on. Let's wait for it to be done. There you go. Nice. Take it off. Put them on. There we go. Nice mouse. Mouse sensitivity. Lovely. You love to see it. Okay, so we have to go and buy new tires. So you have to go down to the computer. But when I get a few upgrades from the levels you see at the top, we can get a tablet, so we don't have to go back and forth to computer. We can just get it off our tablet. But we need to get yeah, okay, that size. Standard B. Yes. And there we go. We got 4 of those. Now, it's the just boring part, I guess. Just gonna put these together. Install. There we go. Now we're gonna put these onto the balancer. We need to put everything on the balancer before we can put them back onto the car. And by the way, I'm probably sure you've noticed by now, but as I said with my mouse, I am on PC, not Xbox. Okay. Take that. Okay, that's it. Just wait for these to be done. while we're at it, we'll put some of them onto the car. So let's mount them on. Screw them in. Lovely. Okay, get this one just finished and put the other one on. I'll put another one onto the car. Yep. Get them all in. There we go. Okay. We're gonna take them and we're gonna do the two front tires now. Screw these in. There we go. And the last one. Oh, there we go. That's what it looks good from behind, makes no really difference, you can still see the outlines. There we go, so that's the tyres. Now we just need to do, change the filters. Bring the car down. I'm gonna open up the hood. So the air filter and the fuel filter. So this, we're gonna get the air filter. We have to take off the four clips that are on the air filter cover. And then open up the air filter cover, and then there's your air filter. So there it is. Now let's get the fuel. Oh, backed out by accident. Get the fuel. There you go. Let's buy a new parts, the fuel filter and the air filter. Oh wait, I meant the tires. I need to go to the parts store, so we buy that, and then fuel filter. There it is. Okay, put these back in. So yeah, nice. Nice. There we go. So that's that done. So we just have to change the fuel, I believe now. I mean, not the fuel, the oil. So let's put that up. Let's check. Yeah. So take out the oil with. So we use this. We move this under the car lifter, eh? And then we just use it, and the oil comes out. Send it back, bring the car down, and then put new oil in it, and we're done for this car then. So just gonna pour the oil in. There we go. And that's this car done, I believe. Let's check. Yep. There, now we have 5.4k. So let's get another shop in. So yeah, brake parts, okay. Yeah, I think it's the same type of car that we had just there. So let's put it up onto the lifter and the brakes. So the brakes and suspension are pretty easy in this game. It's just the engine can be a bit annoying. There's so many little parts. So you can see the two brake discs, two brake discs and brake pad. So we're gonna unscrew this. You can also get like faster unscrewing and everything. The higher we get up, we get So you can see that's all rusted, so we're going to take that off and replace it. There we go. We go to the other side now. Unscrew, there we go, and you can see it's the exact same, all rusted. So we'll take this caliper off and the brake pad, and then we can take the disc off and we'll go to try to find the broken brake pad. So yeah, let's go and try to find it. Well, it's going to be in one of the two rear wheels. Let's check this one. I can't really see through there, so let's check. Hopefully this is the right one. Okay, not sure. Let's see. No, it isn't. Okay, let's just put everything back on this wheel. There. Screw these in. And put the rims back on. So it's probably going to be on this wheel. I mean, it's nearly definitely it's only on this wheel unless I missed something from the front. Take the caliper off. Yeah, that looks a bit rust. Well, not, I don't know. Yeah, but yeah, it was. Okay, we go to the computer, buy 2 brake discs, vent. I'm not gonna pronounce it, and then we just get a brake pad. Okay, so once we put all this stuff on, this is gonna be that job over, and I'll probably do one more job for this episode, and then round out the episode. And yeah, okay. Put the brake pad on. There we go, put the wheels on. So we have the front 2 wheels up, and front 2 wheels left to do. I'm gonna try to get down there from now on. There we go. Handy. Okay. Nice. Yep. Screw this in. Okay. I'll do to the final wheel and then we're done for this car. Oh, come on, try to get over there. Yeah, oh. Oh god. There we go. Put that on. Brake pads. Put the caliper. Okay. Okay. And then put the rims on when we're done with this car. Then that'll be nice. So we'll just do the last car. Let's check if it's done. Yep. Okay. So I'll do probably one more job. That's it, a very short job. No, not camera mode. Oh yeah, as you can see, there's actually real cars. I've downloaded a few mods so that you can see there's a Suzuki, there's a Volkswagen there. We'll take the Volkswagen job, but there's other ones like I have a Skyline, Supra, BMW M3, M5s, Corvette C8, C6s, and other stuff like that. So let's get this. So this Corrado's a bit rusty. It just wants to get some new brake parts in, so we're just doing another brake job. Let's see if it's all okay here. Yeah, you can see the brake disc is heavily damaged, heavily rusted. So I'll take that off, and that's pretty done. We go to this front wheel. hopefully this unscrewing everything. Nice. Oh, come on, game. Yeah, you can see the brake disc is rusty, so we'll have to replace that. Everything in this car is rusty, but you can clearly see the brake disc stands out. Go over here, check if the last part that we need to change is here. We'll check if that brake pad needs changing. So we'll take the caliper off. The brake disc doesn't need changing because it isn't like fully rusted. No, okay, this one's fine. We'll put everything back on. Brake pads and the brake calipers. And then screw these on. So it's going to be the rear tire, that rear brakes that has the latches. So just undo that. Take the caliper off. Ah yeah, you can see the brake pad's heavily damaged. Okay, so we'll buy the new parts. So we need a new brake pad, a new yeah, the two brake discs. So I'll put everything on now. So yeah. Just screwing this all together. Nice. That's one wheel done. There we go. Lovely. So yeah, we'll get this last front wheel. Oh, nice angle. Screw it in. And that should be that for this car. Yes, it is. So I'm gonna finish that order. So yeah, we'll leave these for the next episode. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and until next time, I've been Raptor, and goodbye.